This one is a 1925 Remington Portable. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Got a nice glossy black finish. The margins are located on the back. Right here, you move them with your finger like this. That will dictate how far you can go on this platen. This model has a locking mechanism, so it won't allow you to type until you unlock it with this mechanism here. Raises the keys and now will unlock those so you can type. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. And you just push it back and skip a space. This is how you skip a space like this. Also has the capability to double space. We'll keep it on single for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. A really nice typing machine, for almost 100 years old. I'll type a sentence real quick. Really, you could type as fast as you want with this thing. Nice and responsive. Classic typewriter. Show you the print. The print looks good too. Got like a classic type of print. It looks really old and good. A lot of people like that. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. So I just dropped that locking mechanism. It's got this function, and you push it back, it unreleases the rollers so you can pull the paper out easy, or load thicker paper like cardstock or carbon copy. This is the line space, so if you want to go double, you just pull this knob out. I don't know if you can see, let me do a little zoom. So you just pull this knob out and move it just like that, and it'll allow you to do a double space. That's single, that's double, works good. Keep it on single for now. It's got these paper tray fingers. It helps hold the paper in place. This is the ribbon direction control right here. All the ribbons on this side, so we want it to pull to this side. So we pull this out. So if you pull that out, you can spin it. Pulls to this side, and if you want it to pull to that side, you just push it in and it'll pull to that side. We're going to keep it pulling to this side. It's got a shift lock over here on the right. Locks the shift so you can type in all caps. To release it, you just hit the other shift key. It's got red and black, but we have it on only a full black ribbon, so we're going to keep that down on black. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.